up?
Hey, I'm just not feeling too well today.
Oh, why don't you make an appointment at the Health and Counseling Center?
I don't know where it is.
Oh, I'll show you. Come with me.
Okay.
It's between Peckham and WRI.
What do they do here?
They do lots of certain things.
You want to go see?
Yeah.
I'm Susan Quinn, the Director of Health and Counseling. The services we provide are both medical and psychological. I work mainly, in my administrative role, but also as a clinician on the medical side. And I see students for sick visits, injuries, chronic medical problems, infections. I've seen students for lacerations. We also do a lot of women's health, GYN exams, contraceptive visits. We do emergency birth control, emergency contraception. You've probably heard of Plan B. So we do prescribe all sorts of medications. There are, medications that are not uncontrolled, and then controlled medications like, you've heard of narcotics and pain medications and things like that. We're very limited on what we prescribe as far as that goes, but in severe cases for a short-term, need of pain relief, we might consider that. So we are staffed by nurse practitioners and physician's assistants. I am a nurse practitioner, a family nurse practitioner. I've been in family practice for 8 years. For our counseling side, we have 3 counselors and another nurse practitioner who is a psychiatric nurse practitioner, and will help when students may need medications for psychological concerns, or if they come to campus already being on medication for, say, depression, then he can help them with continuing that. So we treat anxiety, depression. The counselors see students for short-term treatment of those 2 issues, in addition to, if students are just stressed, homesick, having relationship troubles, having difficulty transitioning to being on campus. Sometimes they can just help them with coping a little bit. It might not mean the student has anxiety. It's just a new environment and stress is created, and so they're more of a support, and they help them with strategies to cope and get through it. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. We see patients up until 4 o'clock, and then we start, closing down the office. After hours, if you have an emergency, there's an urgent care center through University of Rochester right up the street on Monroe Ave across from Pittsford Plaza.
To make an appointment with the Health and Counseling Services, go to the NAS website and in the search box, type in Health Services. You will come up with search results and click on the first one, which is nas.edu Health Services. Next, scroll down until you find the word Appointments and click on NAS Student Health Portal. Once you're there, log in with your student account, and at the top bar, click Appointment. There, you can choose your reason for the appointment and decide whether or not you want a specific provider. Then click Submit and you're all ready to go.